All right, everybody, welcome back to Project COVID 1953, our 1953 Chevy 150. Just to touch base with you guys and let you know where this car started from. It's not really important, but it's kind of nice to know what it actually came off the showroom floor as in 1953. So it is decoded as a Chevrolet 150 two-door sedan. So it's your plain Jane base model 150, not a 210 or a Bel Air, but the 150. And the 150 was the only one that had the smaller back window. So it's a little bit of an oddball, but not enough to worry about. And I actually kind of like that body style. So the other thing we did, we checked out the data plate, and the color code for the car was 503, which is Horizon Blue. So it started life as a blue car. It's going to end at least as a blue car after I'm done with it. A little bit different blue, but it's still going to be blue. Again, it's not that important, but it's always nice to know anytime you can decode something, especially this old, and knowing what you started with and then showing off what you ended with.